Open PPT, insert a slide, remove the elements, go to design, select the fill color, choose any light color. I have used light gray color here. Then go to insert, select a circle, draw a vertical ellipse to represent a convex lens, give some nice light blue color with light gray color outline to it. Then place it page center, select a image, go to insert image, and from the computer memory browse and select a file. I have selected a car and selecting format, remove background. I have removed the background color except car, remaining all backend is removed. Now crop around this image, unnecessary part is removed by cropping. Then by drag drop, change the size, select color change. I have selected something giving bright silver color. Now I am going to select insert object, a trapezium I am selecting, draw a trapezium. So wider side should be at the beginning. So let the trapezium start from middle of this image car and adjust its height, then adjust its width from the car up to the convex lens, then change its color, light yellow color I have selected, then go to format, shape fill, then gradient. Here there is a option transparency. By changing the transparency, you can increase the opacity, that is transparent nature of the trapezium we have selected. So I have adjusted this transparency to 40%. It is your choice. You can increase or decrease according to your need. Then make a duplicate of it, select, and then here I am changing the color to some yellow. So for a bright look, from light green to light yellow, I have changed the color of this trapezium, which has given a 40% transparency. Now make a duplicate of it and change the height and the length of this duplicated trapezium as per the need. So the rays should be converged. So to my right hand side, I want a pinpointed end. So using that red button, observe carefully. In that trapezium, there is one special button, red button. By adjusting that red button, you can adjust the width towards the right side. So make it sharp. So it is something like rays are converged. Now duplicate the car image, invert it because the convex lens gives a inverted image. Minimize its size because the convex lens gives a minimum diminished image in this case. So select all objects, format, middle, align middle so that all are coming to a horizontal line. Now this lens is not clearly visible, so give some dark blue color, a bit, not too much dark, but darker than the earlier. Now it is visible. Then select all, move to the center of this page. All are selected. So by drag drop, all the elements on the screen are moved to page center. Now select lens, go to add animation. I have selected float in, then selected the object car image, add animation. I'm giving fade, go to after previous, set timings, delay time 50 seconds, 0.5 seconds, and fade time is 0.5 seconds. Then this trapezium, I've selected add animation as wipe, and the timings are set. So after previous, delay is 50, and this wipe animation is for 1.5 second. Then for the right hand side, other trapezium also add animation, wipe, and set the timings. Then for the car, diminished car image, select appear, give some timings. All these animations are set to after previous. Now preview. If you go to slideshow, this will be your view. The rays are coming from the car, passed through the convex lens, and are converged to a point called focus.